Okay, we're going to talk about black seed oil. Now, a lot of individuals switch it up a little bit. A lot of individuals just don't know that black seed oil is very versatile. There's a lot of oils that you can use as a carrier oil. You just got to know one of the right ones. I'll get more in details like this as I start going, but I want to let you guys know how things you can do right there in the comfort of your home. Some of these things you find in the stores and you don't take the time to just put it together. Okay. Powerful carrier oils people like to use. They like to use olive oil because it doesn't have a smell. They'll use grapeseed oil. Kind of has a little bit of smell, but it's a good carrier oil. Jojoba oil is a good carrier oil. Argan oil, good carrier, or MCT oil is good. Some people use vitamin E, and some people use a blending of different carrier oils with essential oils. I want to show you today how you could take something as simple as some black seed oil. You know, we carry black seed oil, but this ain't what it's all about. I want to at least point out to you how you can. Do I have my essential oils here? Okay. So I want to show you how you can take this black seed oil. I don't care what type of black seed oil you got. This ain't what we talking about here. We ain't here to try to tell you it better be Ethiopian oil. It better be this. This ain't what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to tell you how black seed oil can be used for other things, just not for you taking your tablespoon with a squeeze of lemon and you're drinking it down and you're taking it down with the tablespoon. And some of it's pungent. Some of you guys put it on there, boom, and you're just going through it. Okay, this ain't what we're talking about here. I'm trying to show you how you take this, a carrier oil, because you're sleeping on other properties that black seed oil. You probably done all your research and listen to me and listen to a lot of people tell you the power of black seed oil, what it does for your skin, what it does for internal, what it does for circulation, what it does for everything. Why not up it a little bit? Okay, so let me actually break some things down to you. You can go on, let me see if I can pull it up. You don't need to see it, but I know. And I'm going to tell you right now, let's see right here. Castor oil is a carrier oil, a nice, good carrier oil as well. So let's type in some tinctures. Okay. I want to see what it would cost to buy some tinctures. You get a good 4-pack of these right here for like $8. Blue, brown, whatever you like. To me, it should be a amber, brown, blue, even green. Okay, make sure it has a dark color, but you can get a dropper and the glass jar. Okay, for as little as 2 ounces, 1 ounce, you can get them bad boys for like $8. Get your total of 4. Okay, now that we got that out the way, you would take an 8 ounce of your black seed oil. Some of y'all walking around with 16 ounces of black seed oil. Some of y'all walking around with 20 ounces of black seed oil. Why don't you take 1 to 2 ounces of it and pour it into a 1 to 2 ounce bottle of an amber jar with a dropper. You know, this is a dropper right here. Okay. All right. Now, once you get it into a dropper, this black seed oil is your powerful carrier oil that you can take it internally. All right. So to make sure it's still safe, right, and it's not crazy, I'm going to show you the amount of essential oils you can add to a 2 ounce bottle. Okay. And then you could just half it if you're using a 1 ounce bottle. Okay. Because I want to make sure we have it right. So let me put this information down here. Somebody's emailing me right now. All right. So I'm going to send that off real quick. And you're probably saying, what Really, man? Ain't you doing the video? I can multitask, okay? I can multitask. But I want you to get this information so you can have it. Okay. So say you have yourself, listen. You have an issue with circulation. You have an issue with, matter of fact, I already know the ratio here. I just don't want to go too strong because some of y'all will go in advance. Okay. So if you have yourself a 2-ounce bottle, I don't want you to go in too deep. All you're going to use per 2-ounce bottle, what I do is I use anywhere between 12 to 18 drops in a 2-ounce bottle. Okay. 12 to 18 drops in a 2-ounce bottle. So you would take your black seed oil as a carrier oil and you would pour it into the 2-ounce bottle of the ones I told you can get on Amazon. Okay. We're doing some infusion. And after you do that, now say you have yourself a 1-ounce bottle, you have what I'm saying right here. You have the drops. So instead of 12 drops to 18, it will be 6 to 9. Did you catch it? So if it's a 2-ounce bottle, you're doing 12 to 18 drops of an essential oil. If it's a 1-ounce bottle that you have, you're doing 6 to 9 drops of your essential oil. I hope you caught it. Now that you poured your black seed oil in there, okay, if you're dealing with something, let me give you a couple recipes here. If you're dealing with something with chest and breathing, a chest and breathing blend would be a good 6 drops of eucalyptus and 6 drops of frankincense. See, I carry eucalyptus on 4 sides of life. Boom. And then there you go. That's a blend for chest and a breathing blend. If you're dealing with something like gut, you would put something in there like ginger and peppermint essential oil inside of your mix with the black seed oil. You will put 6 drops of this and 6 drops of the ginger, 6 drops of the peppermint. That's a good blend dealing with the gut. Okay. If you're dealing with lower body and circulation, if you got poor circulation and you're trying to help out your lower body, you will do 8 drops of ginger. This is the blend, and 6 drops of rosemary into your 2-ounce bottle. Like I said, you have this if you're dealing with a 1-ounce bottle. Say you're dealing with something with joints and you want a muscle blend. Okay, you would do like something like 8 drops of frankincense and 6 drops of turmeric. I don't carry those 2 right there, but you can find these all day long on Amazon. Okay, it's not rocket science. And after you put them drops in there, you're gonna combust. I like to do 25 to 30, but sometimes I go overboard and do like 40. But you want to do it fast. This got cayenne pepper in here. I'm moving a little too fast. That's 20, 30, 40, and probably a little over. But 25 is good. That's how fast you want to do that motion. This is still work. You don't have to go so fast as me. But the faster, the better in this type of case. All right. So I just wanted to make sure you knew how to be a little bit more versatile and make a powerful blend with your black seed oil instead of just using the whole 8 ounces up and 16 ounces up the way you use it. You can start taking 2 to 3 2-ounce bottles and turning it into something else like fire. And if you want more videos like this, let me know, because I'm always willing and I'm down to let you know how Mother Nature's your gift to help the living. Herbal Screen. Peace.
Do you have questions about your health or business development and strategies? Herbal Kareem is now offering private one-on-one consultations where you can receive personalized guidance based on your situation. Visit 4cyclesoflife.com to learn more. The consultation link is in the description.